Are you a creator, streamer, or just a music lover? Well, we've got something for you.
Welcome to Stream Tapes. I'm Scott, I'm a music producer.
I'm Jake, I'm a content producer and streamer.
Stream Tapes was born out of a love of gaming and music. We wanted to find a way to join both our passions and give back to a community that has always felt like home.
Providing royalty-free, copyright-free, DMCA, strike and takedown-free music to our ever-expanding group of online friends across the globe is how we're saying thanks.
No matter what you create, having access to premium quality resources to help you level up your content is something that we think should be accessible to anyone and everyone.
Which is why you can find us on any streaming service, Spotify, Apple Music, wherever it is that you get your music from. Or you can also directly download the music files for your content on our website, streamtapes.com.au.
Spend more time on creating and less time on worrying.
Just pick a tape and play. It's that simple.
We are so excited and determined to make this the best music library and platform for creators, and we can't do that without you.
Suggest a music genre, song name, or if you just want to provide some feedback on our ever-expanding library, we want to know.
Join our Discord for that and more, or just find Jake and I on social media.
We hope you love Stream Tapes just as much as we do and that it helps you create that next level content.
Check it all out at streamtapes.com.au and let us know what you think. Nope.